Hello guys, today I want to show you how to convert T8 fluorescent light to LED. Normally this light used by choke 65 watt then taking high voltage. So nowadays LED comes only 10 watt to 9 watt electricity. So today I am showing you how to change connections for LED this light. Before you start the work, you need the tools, test pen, nose plier or flip screwdriver, connectors, or if you don't have connector you can use the tape. And then one more thing, before you start the work, any electric work, for safety reason you need to close the power supply DB from the main supply. So here we go, we start. Open first. Normally this supply is coming like that. One phase come here, choke out one side, then neutral go other side, and then from one side this one and then this one come to the starter. So it's very simple and easy. You just take out the outgoing from the choke, then take out this cable. So it's remove this one. This cable you can pass into direct supply phase. It's very simple and easy. Very simple and easy. So it's this one is incoming. One side is phase, one side is neutral. So this cable is now no more usable. If you want to take out a starter, just take out. For the safety reason, I suggest you to cut one side cable. If something happen, if anyone don't know and then put the starter, it will burst. So I suggest you to take out one side of the starter, cut the cable, then just put tape or connector for the safety only. This one no use anymore. Just keep like that. Then one more other side also you can cut. This one only for the safety. Even you not cut, it's okay. So connection is simple, very simple. This one is incoming, this one is outgoing. One side go phase, one side go neutral. That's it. Because LED working, one side neutral, one side phase, without anything. Just two cables, incoming and outgoing. So we close first, then I let you show how to this one is LED. You can see this voltage is too low. Normally the supply is, if we put the choke, is too taking high electric. Then this one is normal. I test. Here we done.